Ebusia yegusua ya yegyina mu sansam konro mu ne enko atifi mantem no emo opanyine ya na se kuo ya na no ada na wogina opanyine na nkojo Kyeremanten anemu ewo atifi mantem mu no ye campaign man meche campaign team no wo mo ekyerese opanyine yegyina ya wasie so pese wote wo ho ne ho efri MPP amonyekuo mu no ko gina sa content kro no wona epanyine woda asumye sosore ye na se gina sie no wasie wo mu ni ho asam ka wo mu som ewo asumdwe mu
Phobia wonom eti otimantem mu ene amane boni atwetwe nkoma a wode ato nanimu se Alan Kyeremanten a watwe ne ho afi MPP amanyekuo ni mu no enya de benya sunsan so boni bia ewo amanyekuo ne so Bibra Alan Kyeremanten ede betu dwa se we free MPP amanyekuo ni mu a ne senti afempinu ene edunu nan wo ko gina se kwantem kro amamanfo ato ne so aba se be ya obetimi abaye mampanyini no manfo dodo na na akire wono madwene afa ho na yamane boni Iliasu Abdul Waruf Dabre ene Alhaji Kalem M Ibrahim wa woye kasamafo ema Alan Kyeremanten campaign ewo etifedo mantem mu akotwetwe nkomo no reyi ede atudwa se agina ya Alan Kyeremanten yasie no enye wono mu wanwakora na wono mu de waye krado se wono mebetai na chise de be ya afempinu ene edunu nan obetumi edi abato ni munkunim.
Well, actually, I mean, there's a saying that there's no smoke without fire. And Alan Kyeremanten, as we all know, is a founding member of the New Patriotic Party. A founding member and a very, astute, personality as far as, politics of, MPP and Ghana as a whole is concerned. So, the intimidation started somewhere, and that was after 2007. A whole lot of intimidations, which even prompted him to, threaten to resign from the party at that time.
Alhaji Kalim esan katwa so se NPP amanyekuo a na Alan Kyeremanten edom no wonom ene nantena yie esan se ono kra Kalem wa wo kasa no esan se wokotai Alan Kyeremanten achinti no wonom etwe ne sensen ya na nka eni se banesa.
Personally, I will have said that the role I was playing for MPP has been dented for quite a long time. For almost 2.5 years today, I was suspended from the regional communication team just because I worked for Alan. So I decided to go back and work for Alan because it's the reason why they have suspended me from the party, and that was the only thing I was doing for the party, communication. And so if you have suspended me and you never mind to at least even call me back or maybe just console me with some words that will make me come back, it means that you don't even need my services.